ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎವೋ ಅದು.
So now we are going to take the Peduru route from Harikandige, and the road going to right is towards Ajekar, Tondangdi, and the road we are taking is a different route this time via Pedur, Irka, and this road also leads to Udupi. So I travel on this route very less because this is 5 kilometers extra and lot of curves. I mean, you cannot go at a very good speed, but for a change I decided to take this route, always traveling different routes back to your destination, because it gets more interesting. So Pedur is around 4 kilometers from here. The bus from Udupi to Ajekar. Okay, 3 kilometers to Pedur road. I have been on this road, but very rarely, maybe once in a year. I am not very much familiar with this route. I mean, I can't predict the next curve like the one on the usual route I do. So that is why I won't speed up much on this route here. I will travel with caution. Yeah, somewhere this place is called as Dupada Katte, Bairampalli. Pedur is 2 more kilometers from here. This road is also good, but it's very older than the route of other routes. Okay. So this small rivulet is also dried up. we are 1 kilometer away from Pedro Road. It was very fast than expected. What man, no indicator. Oh, there's another Kubera bar here, like in Parkala. Okay, we are very close to the town of Pedur. So the road to the right, we are on the national highway now, NH169A. This is a bit narrow now, but behind me highway works are going on. Here it is yet to be widened. This is the Pedro bus stand. So that road behind leads to your every Agumbe. See, this bus is going where am I quoting now? Going to Agumbe, Shimoga, Tirthali. Okay, now we are going to I was just looking at a vegetable shop for something very valuable, and you know, lightnings have been going on. So in our local cuisine, only at this time we have something called Gudgud Alambe, which translates to the sound of the lightning, good thunderstorms, and the mushrooms which are naturally formed due to the lightning under the soil because of the atmosphere. The lightning releases nitrogen, something like that, you know, nitrates. Then it becomes a very tasty mushroom. This stretch and up to Hirka, the quality of the road is different. After Hirka, the road quality is different. I don't understand why, but from now, good quality of the road starts. I like the road here. See a bus coming from Shimoga and it will go to Mangalore via Udupi. approaching a river, Swarna River. It's been a long time I visited this place. The road is very good. I like this quality of the road. The sunlight here is different. We are nearing Hiradka right now. Hiradka in a dream. I mean, when this road used to be a very small road, it used to be smaller than this. So it used to take around 10-15 minutes, and now it takes me hardly some 5 minutes. Let's find out through the video on how much time it takes for me to come. And strangely, for some time the speed was locked up to 70, 72. Okay, should I take this road? Okay, see. Road to the left leads to Karakala. Road to the right leads to Manipal and Udupi. Renault driver. Okay, we have crossed Hiradka. sleeping here, and I think it might rain for some time, but the clouds are teasing us a bit for so many days. It feels that it's going to rain, but it never ends up raining. My God, that was close. That was the last minute for me to see. I was impatient for a while, and there are two crossings happening, one from my right and some from the left. That's okay, no problem. Okay, I'm having a Tata Punch TV right in front of me. Like, what was that? Damn. Videos on my left. State government bus. Let's see where it is going. Okay, that's a bus going towards Karkala. I mean, coming from Karkala. So we have reached Atradi right now, and it's whistling. And we are overtaking a bus that also private coming from Karkala. So two back-to-back buses from Karkala, one is government and private, and there's a lot of competition between them. Private bus has lost its revenue due to the freebie by Karnataka government for its women passengers. So KSCT buses are using, let it overtake. Then I'll overtake it later. So private bus now seems to be only gents traveling buses, and government buses are ladies because they have free tickets. So that bus was very fast, faster than me. Cannot try to overtake it. There's another bus now going towards Karkala on the right, Udupet to Karkala. Let's speed up a bit. Now we are on the concrete road. So the road, Char road has ended. A different weather mix now. Cloudy and sunny. Weather has again changed now. This is PM School Parkala. We are nearing Parkala right now. If you take the left, it goes to Badagabettu. There is a temple dedicated to Lord Ishwar. This is Parkala bus stand. This is to be called as Chicken Neck, because of a very narrow road. Crossings of two buses was very difficult, and then demolition of shops happened. Okay, so the concrete that ends here. That road goes toward, that is a proposed continuation of our national highway, but it is stuck due to the dispute between the owner, and it's in the court, lying in the court. It's lying in the court for a very long time, 5, 6, 7 years maybe. Don't know when it's going to resolve. You know, this is India. I mean, I love my country, but such strange things happen because of inadequate land compensation, long court time, slow process, slow land appreciation. Okay, it seems a bit cloudy up. Oh my god, what was that again? So it is very cloudy up there. and it might rain. I hope it doesn't rain by the time I reach home. So we are back on the concrete stretch. So we are entering Manipal. We're going to reach Manipal in a while.